Hi, in this video we'll talk about how to make your microphone sound very bad. If you're interested in doing that, first things first, if you can hear an actual denoiser or a cancellation, or for example, if your mic has cancellation button or noise cancellation, make sure to turn that off. I have in here crisp, which actually enables noise cancellation. So for this one, what you can do is you can just turn it off right here in order to actually do that. Now, once you have turned it off, you can head over and adjust as well your sound settings. Just head over and search in here for sound settings. And here you should be able to see this and click onto this open part right here. Make sure to open this and then it will open your settings. Now, once you have done that, we just need to enter the equalizer of your sound system. From in here, just scroll down and in here you can see the input. We have in here a microphone. You can click onto that microphone right here. And then from in there, what we can do is we can head over and then make sure to change the actual input right here. You can change out the volume as well as the test. And in here we have the audio enhancement. You can make sure to just turn it off because it can help reduce background noise. So make sure to turn off this particular function. So in here you can also use this test mode. You can do communication test modes or the likes and don't allow this to actually use this device. Doing that will actually reduce the quality of your microphone altogether. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.